Alright guys, thanks for tuning into the Scan Tool Network video. In this video it's a short demonstration of the iCarsoft CR Max. We have a check engine light on the dashboard of this BMW X1. So we have this tool plugged into the diagnostic port. I hope you can hear me over the rain. The rain is coming down here. So we're going to click onto Diagnostics. We're going to select our manufacturer, which is BMW. And it will take 30 seconds or so to connect. So ultimately what we're trying to find out here is the reason for that check engine light, and also see if we can get that reset. So it's an X1 F48 and let's get that control unit. So we're going to select the system which we wish to diagnose. In this case it's DDE, digital diesel electronics. We're going to click on to read fault code. It's giving us one fault code here. Is that right? No, it's DSC, diesel electronics, read fault code. Right, this is the correct one, sorry. Hot film mass meter. It's quite a comprehensive description of what the problem is, but we've already looked at it. We put a new mass airflow sensor in, so really what we need to do is just come out of that, click on to clear fault memory. Check engine light is gone actually when I've done that. I've done it a bit too soon to show you, but it has on screen erase operation done, so ultimately we can go back in and read the fault code. There's no fault codes there now for the engine system. So really what I was just showing you is a very short demonstration of the iCarsoft CR Max. The kit is available just by clicking the link directly below this video. It's a very comprehensive dealer level scan tool which gives you lots of programming functions and also the ability to diagnose all systems in all vehicles. Link in the description. Thanks for watching and I hope this helps.